In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out shapes effect in Canva. This is a simple but really powerful way to make your designs look more professional, whether you're working on social media posts, presentations, or thumbnails. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have a design open. You can use any size you like, such as an Instagram post or a presentation slide. Once your blank canvas is ready, we'll begin by adding the special shape that will create the cutout effect. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for the toolbar and click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps all of its shapes, graphics, and special design tools. We're going to use something called frames. Frames are shapes that can hold photos or videos, and they're what give us that neat cutout look. With Elements open, go to the search bar at the top and type the word frame. Press enter and Canva will show you a variety of frame options. To see everything clearly, click on the See All option that appears next to the Frames section. This will expand the panel and display all the different shapes you can use. Take a moment to scroll through the available frames. You'll find circles, squares, letters, numbers, and more creative shapes. Choose the frame that best fits the style of your design. For example, a simple circle or rectangle works great for clean, minimal designs, while more decorative frames are perfect for playful or creative projects. Click once on the frame you want and it will appear on your canvas. Now, resize and position your frame by clicking and dragging the corners. Place it exactly where you want the cutout effect to appear. You can move it around until you're happy with how it looks in your layout. Next, we're going to add the photo that will be cut out by this shape. Go back to the left-hand toolbar and click on the Uploads tab. Here, click the button to upload a photo from your computer. Choose any image you'd like to use. Once it finishes uploading, you'll see it appear in your Uploads library. Finally, click and drag the uploaded photo directly into the frame on your canvas. When you release it, Canva will automatically clip the image into the shape, creating that clean cutout shapes effect. You can double-click inside the frame to reposition or zoom the photo until it looks just right. And that's it. You've created a cutout shapes effect in Canva using frames, uploads, and a few simple adjustments.